Question number 5. If triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC, these are two congruent triangles, ABC and PQR. Congruent triangle means बेटा आप अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि congruent triangles का मतलब है वो triangles जिनकी हर साइड और हर एंगल कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग मतलब उनके मुकाबले का एंगल और मुकाबले की साइड लेंथ में मेजरमेंट में इक्वल होती हैं. सो unknown values in this question in these two triangles are y minus 1, so y is unknown, z and x. In this triangle x is unknown and in ABC y and z are unknown. X is unknown, y is unknown and z is unknown. We will find the values of x, y and z in this question. As you know that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR and their corresponding sides will be congruent. So side AB of triangle ABC will be congruent to PQ and the value of AB is 3 centimeter, whereas value of PQ is x. So first unknown value x will be 3 centimeter according to the congruency rule. Now side PQ or BC of triangle ABC is congruent to QR of triangle PQR. BC is of Z and PQ is of 4 centimeter. So Z will be 4 centimeter. Now AC is equals to congruent to PR and the value of AC is y minus r and PQ is 5 centimeter. So y will be equals to 5 plus 1, y is equals to 6 centimeter.